If you like recording and sharing game clips with your friends or whoever else you want, OBS is a great program for that. However, it doesn't always work as expected. My name is Yadullah, you are watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we are talking about how to fix OBS's game capture black screen issue. So if you're experiencing problems with OBS in regards to game capture not working, it's a rather prevalent issue. So the first thing that you have to do is look for OBS in the start menu and run it as administrator. You can also do this by opening the file location, right-clicking OBS, heading over to properties, go to compatibility, and checking this box. This makes sure that OBS runs as an administrator every time you launch it. This is a recommended step by OBS itself in case your game captures are not working as they should. The next step is to close any programs that might be conflicting with OBS. To do that, right-click the Start menu and head over to the Task Manager. Once you're here, look for any programs that might be screen recording at the same time, that might be using your mic or your camera, and close them using the End Task button. Once you're done with that, restart OBS and it should work fine. The next step is to ensure that OBS is using your dedicated GPU, which is the same GPU that games run. To do this, press Windows key plus I to open Settings and search for Graphics. Head over to the Graphics settings, scroll down and click on the Graphics option. In this list, look for OBS. Once you're there, click on it, click on Options, and make sure that it's using the high performance GPU. Select it, click Save, and then you're good to go. Windows should do this by default, but in case it doesn't, this is how you manually do this. If you don't see OBS in this list, just under Add an App, make sure that a desktop app is selected, click Browse, head over to your OBS installation directory. So it's in Program Files for me. Double-click OBS Studio, go to Bin, go to 64-bit, select OBS 64, and then click the Add button. This will add OBS to this list, and then you can make these changes. The next thing is to check your game capture settings. So let me just quickly launch OBS. Once OBS opens up, as you can see in this scene, I'm using a window capture. But if I were to go ahead and add a game capture, click OK. Make sure that it's set to capture any full screen application. Alternatively, you can set it to capture specific window and select your window from this box. Make sure that your game is running in the Windows or full screen windowed mode for this mode to work. Click OK and your game capture should be working just fine. As you can see, my game capture is currently recording my screen. Alternatively, if you select your game capture and you see this red box show up right here, right click it, head over to Transform, and make sure that Fit to Screen is selected. This will fit your game capture to the screen and make it visible. Next step is to make sure that your games are configured properly. Now OBS has a list of games that don't play ball with OBS, and you can use that list and the fixes given below to solve the problem. I'll put it on the screen right now. Alternatively, if you're using the window capture setting in the game capture, make sure that your game is running in windowed or full screen windowed modes. Last but not least, if nothing else works, it's best to use a window capture or even a primary monitor that captures a specific monitor. In this sense, I will go ahead and add a display capture. So what display capture does is that it captures an entire display. As you can see here, I can select my capture method to be automatic because that's just what it works best. And you can select your display. You can use this and bypass any black screen issues that OBS has, but keep in mind that this requires a lot more resources. If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we bring for you. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.